Memories of a Fox is a book about a fox who tells stories that happened to him or his family and friends. The landscape is similar to our home landscape because the author was born here and the story is set in Mondoñedo.
The best places for us are a Pena do Roca and a Golpillera, where Alfonso lives. There are also many parts of the story that happened in forests and different houses in the area where the protagonist tries to catch chickens and other animals for food.
I'm so tired of being